Department of ENT Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS ki MAKHADA Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology BASLP Unit na Numit Nini ki Oiba Rci-Accredited Continuing Rehabilitation Education CRE Program Ngashi Houdokkhre Dysphagia Updates in Speech Language Pathology Service SLPS haiba thimda RIMS ke Banting Hall da Houdokhiba thoram aduda Professor Z Sunil Kumar Sharma Director RIMS Professor N Sanjib Singh Medical Superintendent Professor Laishram Rajesh Singh Dean Academics Professor Sudhi Ranjan TH Head of Otorhinolaryngology RIMS Professor H Priyosaki Devi Head of Otorhinolaryngology SAHS Langol Amadi Dr. Indranil Chatterjee Lecturer and in charge Audiology and Speech Language Pathology Azenisha D. Kolkata Sarugyaki